So here's the thing, you are out and about, you're making some photographs and you get a smudge on your lens. And let's say you don't have one of those lens brushes to get it off. You don't want to use your t-shirt. You don't want to use, just anything. And let's say that you have a soft lens cloth and it's just not doing the job. You could breathe on your lens, and that's sort of a worst case scenario because you really don't want to use your own breath on the front of your lens. The better thing to do is to use a liquid solution, but you don't want to carry a big jug of liquid solution with you, right? Because that's just not ideal. It's heavy, it's bulky, and it's liquid that you don't want near your equipment. So what do you do? There are a lot of companies who make products like this. This is a lens wipe. It's in a tiny, pouch, and all you do is rip it open and you wipe your lens, and then in a matter of seconds, it automatically dries in itself. You don't even need another cloth. I have tried these from ProMaster, from Zeiss, from Nikon, from so many different companies, even ones that are meant for normal glasses. And a lot of them smudge. Not smudge, but they leave like a residue on your lens that isn't always ideal. And what I found is that these are actually the best ones out there. These are from Nikon, and when you're lucky, you can get them in bulk on Amazon in a box. This is a box of 200 lens wipes. Now these work on lenses for your glasses, camera lenses, phones. These are absolutely the best I've ever tried. That's not just because I'm a Nikon fanboy. Okay, I do love Nikon, but it's this not because I am just a Nikon fanboy. It's actually because these really are the best I've ever tried. It's something so simple. Basically, whenever I go out for a session, whenever I go out to do street photos or anything like that, I open this box like this, and I just grab a handful of these and I throw them in my bag. They're light, they weigh practically nothing, take up very little space in the bag, and they do the job. So whenever I accidentally put my finger on the lens, or I photograph family, so sometimes the kids want to mess with things, if they get their fingers on it, I just take a lens wipe and quickly wipe it off. And I know that's not going to take forever for it to dry. It takes seconds, like 2 seconds, and it's done. And then I'm back to a perfectly clean lens. That's it. Use it to clean your filters, use it to clean your phone, get all the fingerprints off your phone, makeup off your phone and all that fun stuff. Just check out Amazon. I will link to it, and it's not always on Amazon. It's only on Amazon when the stores that sell through Amazon have it available. Buy it. I think it was like $15 or something like that for an entire box of 200, and they've been lasting me already like 4 years. So there's a lot of them in here. You don't need them that much, so check them out. If you like this video, click that subscribe button below right now. I publish new videos every Monday and Thursday, whenever possible. You don't wanna miss it.